Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Monique and we are here at Chicago Style Co. Today's video is going to be one of my personal favorites. It is the introduction of my very first Le Creuset Dutch oven. So without further ado, let's dive in. And if you like this type of content, be sure to like, share, because sharing is caring, subscribe, and don't be afraid to leave a comment. I love looking at comments and reading them and even responding back, and I'm working towards responding and replying in a more timely fashion this year for 2026, so please leave me something. But let's jump in. Okay, so I am so very excited to share this with you all. Spoiler alert, I've already opened it up because I was so anxious to see it for myself and get it in my own hands. Though I have not used it, I'm waiting until after I make this video and launch it. But here's a little backstory. So I received this gratis and I'm so very humbled. This is the second one. The first one came about a month ago, and unfortunately when it arrived, the interior was cracked directly from one end of one of the handles to the other end, so it formed like a little U. It had not broken off, but it was definitely cracked, and you can see the crack on both the inside and the outside, so it wouldn't have taken much to just pull it off. So I figured this is not a defect of Le Creuset. This is more than likely one of the UPS guys probably just throwing it against the wall or on the truck or dropping it down. Even could have possibly dropped at my front door and it just broke. So I'm not holding Le Creuset accountable for it. I do fully believe that this happened in the process of shipping. So I had to send it back, and it took me a little while. Honestly, it took me about 2 to 3 weeks to send it back because I was just that busy at the time. And then I got it back to them, and then it took about another week for them to get it to me. So roughly about a month. So this is the second one. And let's just go ahead and open it up. This is the box that it comes in. So this is the new design. You can see already what it is. I got the 4.5 quart Dutch oven. This is the signature round, and the color is artichoke. That is the color that I'm going with for my main pieces from Le Creuset. I will pick up some accent pieces or specialty pieces in accent colors just because I think they're fun and whatnot. But for my main pieces, this is going to be my color. So right here, you pull it apart to open up the box. But before I dive in, you can tell just from the box all the heat sources that it can be used on. So this is induction. This is, what is that? Ceramic. This is gas, which I have a gas stove. This is electric. This is radiant. And you can use it inside the oven. And it is dishwasher safe. And it has a lifetime guarantee, limited warranty. Limited lifetime warranty. All right, so I'm gonna open it up, and you just pull the top of the box up, and this is what it looks like when you open it. This is the lid right here, and so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out for you all. All right, so this is my lid. I love how it's gradient, so it's a lighter green and fades into a darker green. Stainless steel knob here with the Le Creuset design on it, Le Creuset embossed in it. It is 24, so every 4.5 quart is going to have the number 24 in the lid. Sand enamel color on the interior. And then is what the lid was sitting in. So I'm gonna chuck that over there. And at the bottom, ta-da, is the Dutch oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. Put this over there. Okay, so inside they give you a booklet, and in this booklet it lets you know how to take care of it, maintenance, who to contact for any warranty issues, and it comes in a variety of languages from English to Spanish, Australian, Portuguese, Danish, the Netherlands, Dutch, all that stuff. So it has information about the guarantee here, care and cleaning. What else do we have? Some tips for cooking with cast iron and how to use it. So a lot of great things. It tells you inside, it tells you what the light colored enamel is for, different oils and fats to use and how to use it, food storage and marinating, oven use. So yeah, you have a ton of great information in here. And also make sure to go and register your product on Creuset.com. Okay, so this is the inside of my Dutch oven. As you can see, so sand enamel color. It has the Le Creuset sticker on here, which has to be peeled off before I use. And I also have to wash it prior to use. And this is the bottom, another sticker that has to be taken off, and it does say made in France, the number 24 that lets you know the size again, and Le Creuset. So this is my baby. These little clips right here are for storage purposes. So if you want to, and there's 4 of them, generally you're going to receive 4 of these on there. If you wanted to store this with your lid upside down, those are protectors to keep it from scratching up. Let me hold it up for you. So it looks like that. But for now, I'm going to be storing mine the old-fashioned way. And you can also buy some protectors too. The store sells them as well, some felt protectors. But I'm going to be storing mine. I'm going to turn it without. Storing mine this way. Look at that gradient. This is a beautiful color. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I do believe this will shine, not the gloss, but the color will shine as in stand out all year long. Obviously it's gonna look great in the fall and winter, but I do believe this works well in the spring and summer too. So yes, that is my Dutch oven. I'm so very happy to have her. I plan on making tons of soups, stews. I'm also planning on, I'm gonna try my hand at a chicken. I'm gonna try to roast a chicken in here. And I'm gonna see what that's like, because this is a great size for me to start at and see which way I want to go, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to get at least another 1, maybe even 2 Dutch ovens in different sizes. So I'm going to try to put 1 whole chicken in here and a few vegetables and roast it in the oven, and we'll see. I'll let you know, keep you posted. I might even do a video on that. So yeah. Now, sidebar while I have you here, this next purchase makes my heart beat with such joy that I didn't even know I had for cookware. And that is the Le Creuset measuring cups. So these are the stainless steel measuring cups in gold, as you can see here. And so it includes a 1 cup, 1 cup, half a cup, 1/3 cup, and a 1/4 cup. So obviously the largest one is a 1 cup, and it goes all the way down to, a 1/4 of a cup. Comes on a ring here so you can hang it. And I think I am going to get some hooks to put in the kitchen to hang these things on. Never thought I would be this type of girl to want something like this. And once I felt these, I went and compared these to other gold measuring cups like Williams-Sonoma, Crate and Barrel, and other places. And I tried these first. I tried my hand at these first, and went and looked at them and everything, picked them up, and the price is nothing nice. The price for these are 76 to 80 bucks or whatever. So it's nothing nice. It's definitely an investment like anything else at Le Creuset, but I knew I had to have these. So I purchased them. But before that, they had sold out. So I was going to Williams-Sonoma, picked up theirs, and they were much lighter than these. And I was like, no. So while I was at Williams, I knew there was a Crate and Barrel down the sidewalk. So I walked down there and picked up theirs. Absolutely not. So I was like, okay. So I'm gonna have to get the ones from Le Creuset because the weight itself makes these feel so luxurious. Now, obviously, you don't need a set of $80 measuring cups. No one needs it, including myself. This was definitely a splurge. This is definitely a want, not a need. And I treated myself. Things like this get you a little bit more motivated to go into the kitchen and cook. So I can't wait to start baking with these. I think I'm going to make some oatmeal date cookies because I have some dates. Don't ask me why or how, but I have some dates, and I was wondering what can I do with these things? What can I make? And lo and behold, I came across an oatmeal date cookie recipe. So I'm going to be using these to make that. Super excited. And while I was there at Le Creuset, another customer purchased me this grapefruit spoon. In case you ever see anything like this is a grapefruit spoon, guys. And people who know what they are swear by them. Like literally people were in the store was like, oh my God, it's a grapefruit spoon. Oh my God, my grandma used to have them, my mom. Oh my God, they're so good. They're life-changing. And I was like, are they really life-changing? Like, seriously. I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna get you one. I was like, no, I can purchase my own. I just wanted to know, like, is it really that serious? Oh my God, I'm gonna get it, and you're gonna love it. And so that's how I have my first grapefruit spoon. Now I gotta get a grapefruit. Okay, so that wraps up this video. Again, I'm so excited. This is not my first Le Creuset piece. My first Le Creuset piece is actually an everyday pan, and I do have a video for that. I just haven't launched it. But it is in this artichoke color, and so I'll probably go ahead and try to get that up and going too since I filmed this video. Look at me caressing my Dutch oven. But I'll probably try to go ahead and get this up too. Or get that video up too about the everyday pan. I also have a tagine from Le Creuset, and what else? I have some oven mitts, and a dish mat, and I know I'm missing something else. I know I'm missing. Oh, I purchased my girls the heart-shaped cast iron skillet. It is the pink one. It is the larger one, the 10-inch one. They are in love. Oh, I also have some Le Creuset mugs, and I have a Le Creuset stoneware loaf pan. I will be getting the cast iron loaf pan, and I'm looking forward to getting a roaster, cast iron roaster. And what else did I want? I wanted the roaster, and I can't think. I'm really super tired, guys, but I know I wanted the roaster. And oh, I'm gonna get the stainless steel pasta pot. So, and I'm probably gonna get a stock pot from them as well. So hopefully by springtime I'll be able to do my first Le Creuset collection tour. Oh, and I do have almost forgot. I do have some Le Creuset dinnerware plates, and a couple, just 2 pasta plates. And I purchased those because they came through in the color pink, and every time they floated through, I picked them up and purchased them and brought them on my way. So I do have some dishware. So my little collection is getting larger than I thought. let me see. But yeah, so next I know for sure I want the cast iron roaster. I want the stainless steel pasta pot. I'm probably going to get a stock pot in this color artichoke as well. And what else do I need? They also have some gold measuring spoons. I'll probably get those. And yeah, some more textiles, if you will. So super excited to have these things. I'm so tremendously blessed to be able to purchase them. So yes, so again, I'm gonna sign off because I can't wait to go in here and start using this. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to like it, share it, comment. Let me know, do you have Le Creuset? Is there a Le Creuset store near you? And if you do have any Le Creuset pieces, what is your color? How did you get your pieces? Because a lot of people inherit them from their mothers or grandmothers or whatever. So I'm intrigued to find out how you got your pieces. And how were you introduced to the brand? I was introduced to the brand via Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, through her show on Netflix this past year. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, okay, that's what I need to be having. So to have my pieces and to get them, you know, in a decent amount of time after seeing that show, I'm so excited. I couldn't be happier or more tickled. So stay tuned because I'm going to do more videos as I get more pieces. And like I said, I'll probably do my first collection video in March this spring, more than likely, and maybe I'll do them periodically because I know by the end of the summer I'll have even more pieces or whatever. So stay tuned. All right, I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. I'll talk to you and see you next time. Bye.